In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate the consumer key and consumer secret of a connected app in Salesforce, which should take about 5 minutes to complete. This process is essential for developers who are integrating third-party applications with Salesforce, providing secure access while keeping your data protected. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. If you're not already familiar with logging in, make sure you have your credentials ready. This step is crucial because accessing the right platform ensures you can follow along smoothly without interruptions. Spend a moment verifying that you have the correct permissions to create a connected app, otherwise you might encounter some roadblocks. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Setup section. This can typically be found as a small gear icon in the upper right corner of the interface. Once there, look for App Manager. The App Manager is where you will be managing all your Salesforce applications, which makes it the perfect starting point for creating a new connected app. In the App Manager, observe the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the New Connected App button. Clicking this will start the process of setting up your new application. This step is straightforward yet essential as it begins your journey into the setup page. As you move into the setup page, you'll land on the basic information section. Filling out this information is a crucial task. Carefully enter the app's name, your email address, and any other required details. This information not only helps identify your app, but also provides a point of contact should any integrations require support. The next area to focus on is the OAuth settings. Here, you'll need to enable these settings to allow third-party apps to connect. Check the box that reads Enable OAuth Settings. At this point, you'll also be prompted to enter a callback URL, which directs users back to a designated location after they have authorized access. These configurations are vital for ensuring that your application communicates effectively and securely with Salesforce. After you've completed these settings, ensure all your information looks accurate, then go ahead and click Save. This action will apply your changes and finalize the creation of your connected app. Don't worry if this takes a few seconds. The system is ensuring that everything is set up correctly. Now, to confirm everything is as expected, navigate back to the App Manager. Here, you'll locate your newly created app in the list. Click on it to access the app's details. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, under the API section of your app's details, you will find your consumer key and consumer secret. These credential pairs are crucial for securely managing data access between Salesforce and your app, making sure that your integrations can proceed seamlessly. And that's it. You have successfully generated the consumer key and consumer secret for your connected app. This setup allows you to interface smoothly and securely with Salesforce, providing peace of mind across your integrations. Thanks for watching and happy building.